Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share in this video a conversation about starting your business and at the same time positioning yourself to replace your full-time job. So, as a new business owner, your goal may be for you is to replace your full-time job because 1, you don't like it, 2, it don't pay enough, 3, it's time consuming, 4, you don't have quality time to spend with your family and your children to be hands-on the way you like to, 5, you're not able to make enough money, make ends meet to even take a vacation once a year, and the list go on and on and on as far as the reason you want to leave your job or replace your job by being a full-time business owner. So when it comes to working a job and now deciding to become a business owner, and the goal is to eventually replace your job to be a full-time business owner, that takes a strategy that you want to implement, that you're going to put down on paper, that's going to give you some information that's going to position you to be able to grow a business well enough to make enough income from it where it can replace your full-time job and allow you the time freedom and financial freedom to do all the things you want to do with your life and your family by having a business model in place of a job. Because once you position yourself with a job and become a full-time entrepreneur inside your business where you're making enough income to replace your job is not over with, in the sense that now that you replaced your job with a business income, now you must continue to generate enough income to replace that full-time job, and that's an ongoing situation. So you want to have the mindset that, hey, whatever business I decide to start, I'm going to get all in, I'm going to dedicate myself, I'm going to be focused, I'm going to be determined, and I'm going to do all the things I need to do because this is my new way of life now, and this is the thing that's going to allow me to get the freedom I want inside my life, to spend with my family and my children, and allow me to live a better way of life through being a full-time entrepreneur is the goal. And so if that's your goal, to leave a job that you hate, is frustrating, is unrewarding, it doesn't pay enough, it doesn't allow you the freedom you need to be able to live the type of life you want to live, then it's definitely possible, it's definitely doable. You can make it happen for yourself. And the key to that is, there's a couple of ways you can go about it. You can start your own business on your own and go through all the trial and errors of what it's going to take to start a business by yourself, or you can invest in mentorship and coaching style programs that's designed to help you to start your business and get the type of results much quicker and much efficient and much faster than you could ever do by yourself. And so that's the smart move, is to invest in someone who has a program already designed to help you start your business, to help you get the results much quicker and much faster and much efficient than you can ever do by yourself, is what you want to do. So if you've already taken that step, taken that action to start your own business, and you have a mentor or a coach that's there to help you fast track your success inside your business, then it's going to be up to you on your end to make sure that you focus, you're dedicated, you're determined, and you put in the time needed to get the results you want to have inside your business. And that's going to be the key to that, especially being a full-time job worker and at the same time having a family to go along with that. So that can be challenging. So the challenge is you got to look in the mirror and say to yourself, no matter what, I'm going to make this happen. This is my new way of life. This business is going to replace my full-time job income. I'm going to become a full-time entrepreneur / business owner, and I will succeed because, number one, I have the belief and faith in myself, and on top of that, I have a mentor, a coach who has the experience, the knowledge, and the know-how to help me, guide me on the process of making that happen. So those things in my favor, I am destined to succeed. I'm destined to generate full-time income, life-changing income that's going to allow me to be more hands-on with my children, be able to spend more time with them, be able to homeschool them if I want to, be able to be there for different events that they're participating in their lives, as being a full-time business owner, which you can definitely do. But what you got to realistically understand, it's going to take time to build that type of income and lifestyle inside your business to be able to be hands-on like that. So based on what type of business model you have, based on what type of business or service you have to put enough time in it to grow it to the point where now you're making enough income to now where you've got some people that's working on your team that's helping you to carry out certain tasks, that's giving you the time freedom to do some other things when it comes to being more hands-on with your family. So when it came to my business of tax preparation, it took me about 7 years to get it to the point where I had at least 12 employees working for me, to the point where I didn't have to come back to work to open up the doors. I didn't have to show up unless I wanted to, and I still made money because I had people that I trusted, that I trained, that I worked with, that I knew was capable of doing the job, that was there for me, to the point where if I didn't want to come in on any given day, I didn't have to. If I wanted to up and go take a vacation on any given Sunday, I could. And so that was the freedom that I had experienced after 7 years of being inside the tax preparation business for myself. And that result would vary based on each and every one's situation. And so if you're looking to become a full-time business owner, you want to replace your job, it's definitely doable. You can definitely make that happen, but you got to have a dedicated plan of action that you're going to carry out on a consistent basis that's going to allow you to grow and become and evolve into the person you need to become to get you to where you want to go inside your business, to make the type of income you want to see. That's going to allow you to replace your job and be able to become a full-time business owner is the goal. So if that's your goal, it's definitely doable. People are doing it all the time, especially with having the internet as a way to level the playing field for business owners who don't have a lot of money. The internet has made it very affordable where you can come online and start your online business that's going to allow you to make significant income, be more hands-on with your children, spend more quality time with your family, and be able to do some things from a financial point of view that you couldn't do by having a job, because with a job, you are capped for time. Your time has been restrained to the job. The job owns you. You have to raise your hand to use the washroom. You got to raise your hand to take a sick leave. You got to raise your hand for good time. You got to raise your hand for vacation time. So you got to do all these things and get permission to do these things from a job that you don't have to get by working for yourself. And so that's the beauty of being a full-time entrepreneur / business owner, is that you don't have to raise your hand to go take a vacation. You just have to decide when, where, how much it's going to cost, and plan for that, and then take action on making it happen. And that's the beauty of being a full-time entrepreneur / business owner, is that you determine the time of the year you're going to take vacation. You're going to have a plan of action set where you're going to make enough money inside your business, and you're going to have money taken to the side that's going to be planned for that vacation. That way you can still run your business on a regular basis by having operating capital that take care of the necessary expenses inside your business that won't put you out of business is the key to that. So that's what it's all about when it comes to having a business. It's having a plan of action that you're going to follow through on a daily basis and on a consistent basis that's going to allow you to generate significant life-changing income, where now you can fire your boss. You can tell them, I'm out of here. Here's my resignation. I'm not even giving you 2 weeks because I don't plan on ever coming back to the workforce again. And I'm ready to make this my new way of life, and this is what I'll be doing until I get ready to retire. And that's the mindset I have. So when it comes to being in the tax preparation industry, that was my mindset years ago, you know what I'm saying? And so when it comes to doing what I do, and I'm helping people start their own tax preparation business, I give you the knowledge, I give you the skills, I give you the insight, I give you everything you need to be a successful, profitable, sustainable, long-term business for yourself. But you got to show up, you got to take action, you got to be there in a way that's needed to get the type of results you want to have for your business. So the key to your success will be you. I'm just a participant that's helping you, guiding you through the process of being successful. But without you taking action on the information, without you taking action inside your business and inside your life, there's nothing I can do. It's all about you. And I'm here to guide you. I'm here to show you. Don't go that way. Go this way. Don't go around that way. Come this way. Don't go down here. Don't go that way at all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to guide you through a process that's going to allow you to be successful and be able to answer your questions and concerns you're going to have inside your business by having a mentor and a coach on your team. That's what I do. That's the service I provide. I provide a full service solution to helping individuals who look to start their own tax preparation business get started, fast track their success, help them to make significant income in their first season, but they got to take the action. They got to do the work. They got to be committed. They got to be focused. They got to be dedicated. They got to be disciplined. And they got to put that all together with the information I'm giving them to make it work for them to get the type of results they want to have inside their business as possible. Me, I made $40,000 in my first season when I got started. And I have to let you know that all my results are not typical. The average person who I'm working with won't make $40,000 in their first tax season, but it's possible. Because why it's possible? Because if I've done it, you can do it. Other variables play a role in that, and it's possible. I had 6 years worth of experience working for a company. I had started my own company at that time, and what happened was in my sixth season, the company that I used to work for had sold their company to some other people that was buying up a whole lot of other nationally known brands at the time. And so I had to go work for another company that was using the same name, but I didn't get the type of hours I was used to getting. I didn't get along with the management, and so things just weren't working out at all. But so happened I already had my tax preparation service set up. I had my credentials ready to go. I was able to process returns, get money from the client through the refund. And so I was a full-fledged tax service at that point. And so I simply just spreaded the word to let people know, hey, I'm doing taxes right now. I got my own tax preparation business. And by the way, I'm cheaper than blah, blah, blah. And from there, I produced $40,000 in one tax season. I made $5,000 in one day. But like I said again, my results are not typical, but they are possible. So if you do the work, you show up, you implement all the different things that I'm telling you and talking about and showing you, and position yourself to build your brand, build know, like, and trust, build awareness and exposure online as well as offline, and all those strategies and combinations come together synergistically for you by you spreading the word through all the people you know is going to be important. Everybody in your mama should know that you got your own tax preparation business started and you're working with a mentor and a coach that's helping you make it happen. And like I tell my students and / clients, leverage my experience, leverage the involvement that you got somebody you working with. You're not doing this by yourself because they know you knew. And the fact that you knew is, and you let them know you're not doing it by yourself, will make a difference in the lives of people who want to give you a chance to let them do business with you. And so leverage that. And so when it comes to starting a business, becoming a full-time business owner and replacing your full-time job, it's definitely possible, it's definitely doable, and you can make it happen for yourself too. But the key to your success will be you. It will be you. It will be you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. Please join my email list where you can receive 20 to 50% off all my products and services that I offer to the marketplace for people who looking to grow their tax preparation business. I sell products as standalone, but for all my mentorship and coaching clients, they'll get those products which are included in the price of the program that I offer. But I have people who purchase separate products because they're not looking to start their own tax preparation business right now. They're not looking to invest in themselves on that level right now. They're not looking to go all out and get all in and make the commitment and dedication to start their own tax preparation business right now, and that's understandable. So if you're looking to make it happen for yourself, the contact information inside the video, reach out to me. Let me know you're ready to take action. I get people all the time who are looking for a mentor and a coach so they can start their tax preparation business, but for whatever reason, they ain't left me no message, they ain't called me, they ain't text me, they ain't said nothing other than that they glad they found my videos, but they haven't called me. They haven't taken action yet. So if you look to start your own tax preparation business, I got a special going on right now with my partnership program and my full-time mentorship and coaching program. And the difference between the two is the partnership program is a temporary situation where you get to work with me up to October 15th of 2021 if you take action now. And my mentorship program is 18-month access, and it's on special right now for $1,299 or 4 monthly payments for $325, and that's 18-month membership access, which allows you to build a foundation for success by getting all in through the mentorship and coaching program concept. And so either way you decide to go, take action, get started, call me with my contact information, email me, whatever you need to do, just make it happen. Let's take action, because the special I got going on will end on November the 4th for both of those different programs I just mentioned, and I'll see you in my next video.